Hi guys, good morning. So guys, this is my 30th. This is my 30th day of English speaking challenge. So guys, finally I'm gonna complete my 1 month. So after after the completion of 1 month, I'll make a video and I will grateful and I will share my gratitude in that videos. Yes, I have thought about this. So I will make the videos. I'll make the videos regarding about. I'll make the videos regarding regarding the gratitudes. Okay. So today, even today I was thinking that I should not come here. I wanted to sleep because I like sleeping. I like sleeping sometimes. I like sleeping. Yes, but because of my goal, I had to leave my bed. I had to leave my bed every day. I can't sleep, yeah, because dream is dream. Yes, because dream is dream, and each and every person, each and every person in this world, each and every person in this world who has become very successful. So they were also working for their dreams. They were also working for their dreams. So I have to be like them. I have to be like them. I have to do like them. Yes. And whatever the challenges whatever the challenges they had faced, so I will also face. So I will also face similarly like them. Yes, similarly like them. Yes. So my dream is to become a very good English speaker. I want to go to the I want to go on stage. I want to go on stage means TED Talks and Joe Talks. Yes, go to that. I want to go to that. I want to go to that stages. Yes, means I have to become very famous. I have to become very famous. I have to become more popular. I have to become the most popular person. I have to become the most popular person in Greedy, especially in my city. Yes, I want that everybody should know me. That who am I? Okay. So for that, what are the steps should I take? I don't know, but I would definitely take that. So that's why I have started this journey of speaking. Every day I used to talk to myself, but before the camera, because when I used to speak to myself on camera, then I get the confidence, and along with confidence, I get the fluency also. I get the clarity of speaking too. Yes. So I want you guys, start speaking like me. Means in this era, and nowadays, each and everybody has a smartphone. But what is he doing? What is he doing? He is just wasting his time. He is just wasting his time. And because of time wasting, they are unable to learn productive things. They are unable to do productive things. Yes, means they are unable to fulfill their dreams. Their dreams may come true. But they are unable to make it happen. They don't want to make it happen. They don't want to fulfill their dreams. Yes, the fault is within them. the fault is the fault is at them, I think. The fault is at them. they should they should they need to talk to himself. They need to talk to themselves, that why I'm doing this. Yes, means if you are making mistakes, then don't react. Instead of talking to yourself. Okay. So guys, we should not waste our time. Because once you lose the time, then you can never get it back. Yes. So you must be respectful. You must be respectful to the time. Yes. And if you want to achieve something, then start hard work. Then start doing some hard work here. Then start doing hard work. Yes. And this way you will achieve your goal. And this way you will achieve your goal. And see, I'm making a video, and it started raining, and it started raining here. So what do you think? So what do you think? I'll be able to complete my am I able to complete my 10 minutes or not? Because 5 minutes has been completed. Because 5 minutes have been completed on and only 5 minutes are remaining. So after the completion of 5 minutes, I will I will I will shoot I will shoot over my video. I will shoot over the video. I will close my video. I will close my video of shooting. I will close my video from shooting. Okay. So there are two crows. There are two crows. There are two crows. There are two crows. They are just next to me, and they are crying. They are crying also. And they are crying also. You know, after a long time, I'm looking at a. I'm looking at a. I'm looking. I'm looking at a crow just just close to me. That is very close to me. They are sitting very close to me. They are sitting very close to me. I can clearly see them. I can clearly see them. Yes. So guys, I have to tell you that if you want to achieve your goal, then start working on that. Means you need to take the action. You need to take the action, and thereafter you will achieve your goal. Yes. Means just sitting idle means just sitting idle, and you will think of your goal. And you will think of your goal, that I have to do this, I want to achieve this. Then those those particular thing will never gonna happen. Okay. So I have to tell you that start start taking action. Yes. Because by the help of actions you can by the help of action you can do something. Yes. So a lot of us, what they do, they just think of that I have to do this, and they don't take the action. Even I used to do this earlier, but I set my mindset on this, that only thinking only thinking only thinking and thinking I can't reach my goal. Only think by thinking and only thinking by thinking or only thinking, I can't reach my goal. I can't reach my goal. I can't reach I can't reach till my goal. I can't reach till my goal. I can't reach I can't reach my goals. So I have to take the action for this. I have to take the action to this. I have to take the action for this. Yes. If I want to achieve that particular thing, then I will have to start taking action. Yes. And this way, and thereafter I will achieve what and I will achieve that whatever I'm expecting. Whatever I'm expecting from myself. Yes. So that's why I used to talk to myself every day. I have to I have to become, yeah. Every day I used to make my videos, but I'm unable to watch my videos. I just used to upload it on YouTube, and after few months I will check out my video, that how I used to speak while shooting. So so after making this video, I'm not gonna check it out, that whatever the words and whatever the sentences I was being used, I will never look at that. I will never look that. I'm not gonna look at this. Okay. I'm not gonna look at that. Okay. So so as you can see, the weather is looking fine, but little hot, but fine. The weather is looking fine, but it's hot here. I'm not i'm not getting any air. I'm not getting any air from anywhere. I'm not getting any air from anywhere. Yes, means the wind is still. The wind is still. Yes, the wind is still. That's why I'm not feeling the air. Yes. So guys, this is all about today. I will see you at the same time at the same place. Until you until you keep watching my videos and stay updated and stay tuned. And if you like this video, then do comment. And because I used to read all of your comments, and I also used to like the comments too. And I also used to like the comments too. So bye, take care.